Jeffrey, what do you have? You got tough and tender?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Clean it on window.
Oh, we don't put that on the window, do we?
No.
Okay, what is all this?
Dirt.
How are you gonna clean that?
It's dirty. I can clean that.
Okay, look at all that. Ugh. Okay, clean it up. Oh, that's the clear power.
Yeah, clean.
That's for the window.
Yeah. Clear.
Okay.
Now I spray.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to clean the window.
Okay, that's enough cleaner. You just need one squirt.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it works.
It does. Look how beautiful that is. Does that smell good or does that smell bad?
Smell good.
Good. You're going to clean over here now? You don't even need to squirt it, do you? You got that other one so wet.
Yeah. So I'm going to spray.
Yeah, you can. Just one spray. Okay, now, clean the paper towel.
Okay. That's up here.
There you go. Here, now look at, we got all this cleaned up too.
Yeah.
Right there.
Mom.
Now, let's use another cleaner.